Here review Texas Chainsaw Massacre from 2003. It stars Jonathan Tucker and Jessica Biel, yeah, and Carly Lee and Darlie Young, produced by Michael Bay, based on a screenplay by Ken King and Kale and Toby Hooper. We'll start off with the voiceover. The voiceover. It's took place in 1973. Then there's a group of five kids. There's a group of five young kids. Oh, this is a picture of the house right there. There's a picture of the picture up there. Yeah, they go to the house, like go to the house and they go into the house. They go to this um they go to a little Skinner house, not a Skinner concert. They go to a little Skinner concert. And then they pick up a hitchhiker. They're going along in the wrong direction. Then she doesn't want to go back to this house right here, and she pulls a gun out. She shoots herself in the mouth. She shoots herself in the mouth, and then the five kids, five kids, the Kipper, and his girlfriend and their friends are stuck there. And this is a really good remake. Really, I like it. They go to they go to they cut across they stop at the classic gas station. They stop at the classic gas station. And it's a car sheriff and the sheriff then releases him shit down by the mill. And then they go they're mad they go in the mill. They go in the mill. They're mad because they have no choice but to go in the mill. Anyway, they go in the mill. They have no choice to go in the mill. They Aaron and Kemper go into his house. Then an old man, Monty, Monty says, as he says, Manny says, I gotta use your phone to Monty. He's like, I gotta call the sheriff. Then he's like, I'll go in for you. And Kemper's outside. Then, it takes a long time. Then Kemper goes, then Leatherface hits him with a sledgehammer. And 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 they're looking, and Leatherface chases Aaron. Yeah, Leatherface chases Aaron, and then he's like, yeah, I give this movie, yeah, and let's see, oh yeah, three guys, the three, the three kids, the two kids go to the house. The one kid goes into the house and he goes into the house with the other guy. She distracts Monty. Distracts Monty and he's like, what a lovely garden you have. And then they yell for Kemper. He yells for Kemper. He says, there's no escaping. Then he's like, and then the other guy says, bring it, and Simpsons King says, bring it, and that face gets up in the knee hook, and hooks the guy in the knee hook. And and chops up Leatherface's arm completely off with the cleaver. Then she goes and she stops the truck and then starts to semi. Then he's like, I want to go home. And then he's like, no, I'm thinking about that. And then she steals the baby and then she runs over the sheriff. She runs over the sheriff. He plays like Arlie Young, who's amazing in this movie. And then that's how the movie ends. I give this movie 10. Uh, 10, 10 out of 10. It was good. And that's my review of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Remake. It's the scariest movie ever made. It's based on a true story, by the way. Good night, everybody.